There's a citywide innovation contest today.
Sounds exciting. Time to get going.
For students?
For everyone.
Then courage will matter more than talent.
The competitors look intense.
So?
What if I'm not ready?
Readiness grows through action. Confidence believes you can try. Courage tries anyway.
Even if I fail?
Especially then.
Everyone looks so confident.
Confidence is loud.
Courage is quiet.
What if I embarrass myself?
Then you'll survive.
Barely.
Strongly. I'm doing it. That's courage.
That's growth.
Wow, it's lighting up!
You're all set. Design a solution for urban water efficiency.
My mind just went blank.
Then start with questions.
Okay, what's the real problem here? Water loss isn't just technical, it's behavioral. People conserve more when systems give feedback. Oh, I see.
That's strong reasoning.
I'm surprising myself. I ran out of time.
But not out of insight.
That's not how competitions work.
It's how growth works.
I didn't win.
Did you quit?
No.
Then you succeeded. We'd like to invite you to the final round.
Me? You.
See?
I may not have the perfect solution, but I have a better question.
That's powerful.
Third place, Team Aurora.
That's us.
You did it.
We did it. Today, confidence became courage.
Because you acted.
Because you believed enough to try.
Next time, I won't wait.
For permission?
For courage.
Beautiful. Details first, fear later.
I think someone is walking behind us. I bet it's a ghost.
Let's not assume. Let's observe. If someone follows us, we move to light, people, and cameras.
Excellent thinking.
Mom, I can't see you! Over here! Stay where you are!
Stop moving. Stay where you are.
Okay, breathe. Stay calm. When you're lost, calm is your strongest tool.
Mom, let's stop running. Let's think.
You're right. Let's use our training.
Excuse me, could you help me find the Central Plaza? Show me the way.
Of course, follow the blue path.
Wow, cool!
Security desk, this is family assistance. My son is separated. We're tracking now. Great! Where to first? The signal is pointing east. Let's go! He's smart. He'll do the right thing.
Are you lost? Let's find help together.
Thank you.
I was worried.
I stayed calm, just like you taught me.
Proud of you.
I felt scared, but I didn't freeze. That's growth.
Repeat after me. Stay calm, think clearly, act wisely.
Stay calm, think clearly, act wisely.
I was afraid, but I trusted myself. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment.
This is the end of episode 4. Bye-bye.